How to create a blog for free using Google Sites. First, open your browser and go to Google Sites. Then sign in with your Google account. Once you're in Google Sites, click Blank Site to create a new website. Give your site a name, such as My Travel Blog, and add a title to your homepage. You can also add a header image by clicking Image and uploading or selecting your own photo if you want. Now, to create your blog posts, go to Pages on the right and click the plus icon to create a new page. Give the page a title, such as Best Beaches in Thailand, or anything that you like, and click Done. You can then use the Insert options to add text, images, and other content to your blog post. Add your article, format the text, and include relevant images to make the page more engaging. Once you're happy with your blog, click Publish in the top right corner. Choose your web address and publish the site. That's how you can create a simple blog for free with Google Sites. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.